Hello everyone, today we're going to be opening Blizzard. It's a Marvel Legends figure from the Hulkbuster Build-A-Figure set. The blue is pretty cool. It's kind of like the same kind of metallic coloring as Tiger Shark from the last series, from the Ant-Man Ultron Build-A-Figure set. It doesn't really come with any extra details. Just Blizzard. This is one I wasn't throwing my money at the screen wanting it when I saw it was announced, but who knows, I wasn't too interested in Tiger Shark, and it was actually not one of my favorites. Torso part. There's a lot of pieces for this Hulkbuster figure. There he is. Blue and white man himself. It's actually pretty cool. There's some detail to his face. I was just going to do it straight. Very smooth. Yeah. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think.